Yo, what's good, my ninjas? Today we're going to be going through how I start a beat. Just going to show you the thought process and little things I do for when I actually come to sit down at the DAW and physically start the beat. Alright, let's get into it.
Alright, so first I usually tend to start with the chords because I just find that the chords pretty much dictate the mood of the song. So I've got a G, I think it's a G major, A major and a B minor. I'm just going to take these root notes and then move them down an octave. And without getting into too much into music theory, I'm just going to add some, I don't even know what they call it, some extra notes to make the chords a bit thicker and give it a bit more quality. So let's just I don't like that. Oh, okay, now we're getting there. Can we do anything with this one? Yeah, see already, I think rather than just using your basic major minor chords, I think I did a seventh here. I moved the root note here, so that I think that I'm not sure about the terms, forgive me, but I think it's a major sus or something. I moved the A to a B. It was an A major, and I moved the A to a B, whatever that is, I don't know. And then finally this one, yeah, I don't know what chord this is either, but it just sounds nice, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I mean, so I don't know the terms, but yeah, just trust your ears, like I said. Yeah, it sounds nice, so I'm gonna use it. Let's give this some bassline. And let's do. No, I don't need this. I need. Yeah, let's keep it simple for now. Because I want the bass line to drop down on the second one. I don't want it like that all the way. Let's fix these. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. I mean, it can always get changed later, but okay. So we got a bass line. Okay, I think I can hear some drums. Let's try some drums. Now with drums, like I know, you know what? I've had such a nightmare with the recent update. I'm trying to upgrade to Logic 5, 10.5, and it simply won't let me. I've been apparently I've punched my password in wrong too many times. And yeah, you know what, actually I just realized, one sec, I need to change out my keyboard for my other keyboard because it's got the pads. It makes it easier to do drums. Alright, so finally managed to build a drum kit that I like. We're gonna see what's good. There are all my sounds I got, so let's see what happens. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. Where's that reverb coming from? Yeah, I tend to always turn the default ones off or just delete them because I prefer to add my own. Just gives you a bit more control. Yeah, sorry for not narrating. Yeah, just slowly getting into the zone at the moment. But okay, let's review. So we've got some drums, we've got some bass line, got some chords. Let's get some melody in there. And what should we use? I always go to a nice synth just to... I like using synths for melodies because it's got that vibrato that kind of emulates human's voice. So I find it, yeah, it's easier to write melodies with a synth that's got a nice tremolo in it. The classic. Shit, I need to switch back to my other keyboard. Don't have enough keys on this one. One moment. Let's just loop it and then, yeah. Yeah, I think I've got the skill. Oops. So I think I've got a couple ideas. I mean, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, so now it's just getting to the point where I'm just improvising, and I mean, yeah, I'll probably end up doing this for a couple hours and then just carve out something that I like afterwards. But I mean, yeah, especially for a project, it's just, or something you're just practicing, because something like this, yeah, you can't really be doing this in a time-sensitive project, you know. So if a client needs a banger there and then you know you need a banger there and then, innit? Yeah, so I think, you know, things like this definitely helps with your musicianship. lets you get creative. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love using samples. Samples are great, you know, it's a very effective way to get a great sound very quickly. It's very efficient. I love using samples. Yeah, when it's the morning, sometimes chilled. I'm not really feeling to do anything with any intent. Yeah, just to have some fun. So then now after this point, now I've got the drums, a bit of bass line and Sims. Now that everything's, the skeleton's there, it's just more of a case of just adding some sparkles, some crashes, some ear candy, yeah, then get it mixed and mastered.
All right, there you have it. That's pretty much how I start most of my beats. And yeah, just have fun with it, man, especially on something where it's not time sensitive. Like I said, you know, if you're not working with a client, when you're just chilling, ain't got nothing to do, I just thought I'd show you how I start a beat. Yeah, so once I get to the stage, I just improvise and see what works, see what doesn't work. So if you did like the video or you find any value in it, then please like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. That will be much appreciated. I really appreciate the support. Thank you very much for watching and have a good one.